Hi there everybody, well, I'm back at work again. I've done a quick video for YouTube this morning just saying that, this is my setup. I've got the fire going, so I'm going to chuck the kettle on in a minute. Then later on, all important sort of brunch, I've just got some sausages for breakfast and dinner. Going home for my tea tonight. I'm not going to camp between them two trees like I did the other day. So, I've made my first striker. And you're looking and you're thinking, that's a bit small, because obviously this will get shared onto Instagram as well as Facebook. This is for a firelighting challenge, so you can see it's just a little bit bigger than my thumbnail. And there was a challenge a while ago. What's the smallest piece of flint you have used? Let me just tap the phone screen, sorry, fingers in the way, trying to get it to focus. There we go. What's the smallest piece of flint you have used for flint and steel firelighting? And then I said, well, if you're going to do that again, if you do that again, why don't you do, what's the smallest striker used? I mean, I did think about making this smaller. I mean, I could cut it down smaller. But I mean, I said, oh, let's do it so it's not just a piece of cut file, like you've cut a piece of file to that size. You've got to have forged it. It's got to look like a proper striker and not just a piece of scrap metal. So that's why I put this intricate spiral into here. And it also gives you a bit of something to grab. So I can grab with those two fingers and support it with that finger as a strike down. I could make it even smaller if somebody challenged me to a smaller striker. But I haven't tested it yet. I've just cleaned that edge up. I've hardened it. But I'll get some flint in a minute. I've got some flint there. Come on, phone. Focus. There we go. So I'll break a piece of that in a minute and test it, but I've got to get cracking. I've got to get some more strikers made. So what's up with my phone this morning? It's not wanting to focus in and out. But, right, see you guys later. Bye for now.